Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset in case of malfunction or freeze time on your smartphone on a Huawei P30 Pro. You have on the right side of your phone, you have a power button on the bottom side, volume up, volume down button on the upper side. The first step you are going to do is push the power button and the volume up button until you can see the Huawei logo. That means you have to push there and keep pushing for about 10 seconds. If you see the Huawei logo, you can release the power button. Now, keep pushing the volume up button until you are in the AMUEI menu. And in this menu, you are able to get some options. On the bottom, on the thing that you are going to do is, the first thing, try to reboot. Then wipe data, then wipe the cache, and of course the safe mode. These four options you can handle to get back into your phone. The last option you have to choose is the reset option. This will full factory reset your smartphone. Push one of the options and then you can see your Huawei P30 Pro will reboot or reset in a different options you are using before. Power button plus volume up button until Huawei logo. After then, release the power button. Keep pushing the volume up button. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.